Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th mathematics chapter number 2 linear equations and inequations part 6. In this part we will learn many word problems, understand them, and in part 7 and 8 again we'll solve the word problems only, because this chapter is mostly based upon the method and word problems. So our first word problem of this part is: Anil and Sunil can do a piece of work in 8 days, while Anil alone can do it in 12 days. Then in how many days can Sunil alone do the same work? So as given in the question, Anil plus Sunil can do the work in 8 days. Means together they can do the work in 8 days. Anil alone. Anil alone can do the work in 12 days. And we have to find Sunil alone can do the work in how many days. So let us assume that you have to write the full statement. Let us assume that work done by Sunil alone is X days. X days. So Anil alone can do the work in 12 days. So in one day Anil alone can do the work in 1 by 12. Can do the work 1 by 12. In one day Anil can do the work 1 by 12, and plus Sunil can do in one day Sunil can do the work 1 by X, and Anil plus Sunil's work in one day is equal to the 1 by 8, because this is the work done by Anil and Sunil together in one day. Like this. Now 1 by X, we'll just transpose, we have to find the value of X, so that's why 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. We'll take the LCM, so we'll get 1 by X is equal to into 3 and into 2 over here as LCM. So 3 minus 2 upon 24. We'll get 1 by X is equal to 1 by 24. Therefore from here we got X is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 means the work done by Sunil alone is in 24 days Sunil can do the work alone. Like this. Let's move towards the next question. Another question is question number 2. It is that Pawan can reach Secunderabad station from his village by scooter in 1 hour 20 minutes. One day he was late by 20 minutes and he reached the station in the time by increasing his speed by 10 km per hour. What is his normal speed? And what is the distance between the village and the station? So, we'll always draw the diagram to understand the cases clearly. So in first case it was that Pawan can reach Secunderabad station from his village by scooter. Village to Secunderabad in 1 hour 20 minutes. So time was 1 hour 20 minutes. And one day he was late by 20 minutes and he reached the station in time by increasing his speed by 10 km per hour. Time he increased means time he was late by 20 minutes, but he increased his speed by 10 km per hour. So after some time he reached in the time. So we don't know the his original speed. So let us assume his original speed is x kilometer per hour, and he increased his speed by x plus 10. This was his speed, increased speed, and as he was late by 20 minutes, means in 1 hour only he covered the total distance from village to Secunderabad with the speed of x plus 10. And we'll take speed as like this. So we have to find first what is his normal speed, means we have to find the x, and also what is the distance between the village and the station, means village and station's distance. What is distance? Like this is the question. So s is equal to x upon, we'll convert, as this is in hour, so we'll also convert 1 hour 20 minutes in perfect hour. So 1 hour 20 minutes is 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes means 80 minutes. 80 minutes is equal to how many hour? So 80 upon 60, that is 4 by 3 hours. So x upon 4 by 3 hour. And in second case, this is case 1. In second case, s is equal to x plus 10 upon 1 hour. This is the equation number 2. Now we'll make this more simplified. We'll do the reciprocal. We'll get 3x by 4 is equal to s, and over here it is as it is, x plus 10 is equal to s. We'll divide both the sides because there are many methods to solve this. So method we choose over here is divide LHS by LHS and RHS by RHS. SS will get cancelled. We'll get 3x by 4 upon x plus 10. That is equal to 1 by x plus 10. Means, sorry. This is the final. Like this we got. There are many methods to solve. So we'll take this as speed. X kilometer per hour will take as speed, and s is the distance. So distance is s and x is the speed. We know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. For making these equations easier, now speed is x. So x is equal to distance is s upon time is 4 by 3. And here again x is equal to distance is equal to distance is equal to x plus 10 upon t. Now this is the value of s. Again we'll take 3s by 4 as reciprocal. We'll substitute. We'll use the method of substitution. So over here we'll put the value of s plus 10 this is speed and this is the distance as kilometer. Over here distance we have, that is s is equal to speed we have, that is now speed we have x plus 10, distance is s upon 1 means s. Now we know the value of x is 3s by 4, so 3s by 4 plus 10 is equal to s. We substitute the equation 1 in equation 2. By taking LCM we'll get s is equal to 3s plus 40 upon 4. From here we'll transpose 4 to the LHS, so 4s minus 3s will be equal to 40 means s is equal to 40 we'll get, and s is the distance, so the total distance we got is 40 kilometer. And also we have to find the speed. So speed is distance upon time. So in first case we'll put the value speed is x is equal to s upon 4 by 3, that is 3s by 4. So x is equal to 3 into 40 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. X is equal to 30 means speed is 30 kilometer per hour and distance is 40 kilometer. This is the answer of those questions. I hope you've understood them. I hope you've understood this part 6. In part 7, again we will learn more interesting questions, more interesting word problems that are easy to understand. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th, 8th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 7.